Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube. I'm still on my Tutti Frutti pour creations. So I think I've done a swipe and I've done a chaos blow and I've done something else that I can't remember. And so today I'm testing it out on a little flip cup. So it's just my Tutti Frutti colours in a flip cup pour, and I am going to start off with one of the brightest of all. I'm keeping this quite on the thicker side and we'll see how we go. It's all done with my kiss pouring medium and my global paints, so the link will be in the description box below my video, or I'll try and remember to add a link in my first comments too. So that's the cool red, the yellow, and we'll go to this really nice bright orange. It is just orange, but I always like to add a good dash of yellow in my orange. That gives it even more of a brighter look in there. I'll go to some white that I mixed with a bit of metallic silver. So we might just add one more colour for the tutti fruitiness, which will be purple. So loving doing these tutti frutti pours again these last couple of days. I'll go back now to the orange, red. Oh, sorry, no, it was yellow, wasn't it? Gosh, get colourblind now, my orange. Look at those colours. Wow. Okie dokie. I better put them all back in their little containers because I'm very good at knocking things over if they're not in that nice little container. So I'll just go back to my, like I said, it's white with a bit of metallic silver, so it will give it that nice glistening effect. So this is going to be a nice easy peasy lemon squeezy on a 20 by 25 to see how we go with just a flip cup in my tutti frutti colours. Oh geez Louise, I went over a bit there, didn't I? So I'll just put some on my corners just so I don't have to worry too much about them, which I don't anyway. And I've got no gloves on. What am I doing? Silly Jilly. This is all non-toxic anyway, but it is always good to wear gloves if you're worried about your nails and all the colours sticking in your cuticles. Rightio. Might leave it at that. So I flipped it and now I'm going to lip it. So doing that all. Oh, look at those colours. Always exciting when you do a flip cup in lots of colours, because you can absolutely do the same colours every flip and it will turn out a different piece, you can bet. No two ever looks the same. Similar maybe, but not the same. So look at those colours. That is just beautiful. Tutti frutti colours. Just gentle tilt and now tilt it back so you're recentering your paint. Might get rid of a bit of this down here. I think I'll have to try the tutti frutti colours in the ring pour because I can see how lovely that looks there. Wow. Well, there you go, tutti frutti. I am actually going to use my butane torch. I don't recommend it. I would much prefer you guys to use a heat wand, but because I'm going back to how I used to when I first started, I want to kind of use the exact same method. That is weird. Got some kind of stars coming up on there and odd shapes, not like my perfect circle cells that I used to get, but really with a flip cup, the aim is not to get too many cells. Going back over with this. So that is just your basic flip cup pour, your dirty, I think they call it, the name is a dirty flip cup, in that pouring it, you know, one by one. I think so. I don't know all these names. Okay, I couldn't resist it, could not resist it. So what I'm going to do is do my Aussie slide through here, because I think it'll just pick up all the colours and give it a really super gems look. So I've just got this mixed with the black with Floetrol, Australian Floetrol, hence why I call it an Aussie slide. I couldn't resist it. I think I've got to pick it up even more and have some fun with this. So I'm going to go through the sort of blander parts, I guess. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, just give it a little bit more. You do get carried away. I certainly do. Try a bit more. I'm going to go through this part here. Let's try and... Wow, 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 wow. Oh, I have to bring you down to see this lovely effect. Because there's all those lovely colours under there, it's just gorgeous. I couldn't resist. I could not resist. It's so much fun, and you can play with it, and you can sort of, yeah, put your spatula through it, work it, work it, work it, baby. As you like. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at those lovely, lovely gem-like creation. Just look at that. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, how can you resist when it brings up such gorgeousness in your piece and interest? Now look at that. Just doing that Aussie slide, Australian Floetrol with my paint through. Some more up there, look at, absolutely gorgeous. And you can always see so much in your work. There's a pair of eyes there looking through sunglasses. Gives it some depth. It kind of gives it that 3D effect. Well, I'm happy I did it. I hope you guys are. Or you're probably saying, oh my goodness, what's she up to now? Radio, bye for now.